In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom reports in Hubspot. Creating custom reports is an essential skill for anyone looking to leverage the full potential of HubSpot's powerful analytics tools. So let's get started and I'll guide you through each step. First, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. If you're new to HubSpot, it's a suite of tools designed to help businesses grow by developing strong marketing, sales, and customer service strategies. Once on the homepage, look toward the upper right corner where you'll see the login button. Give that a click and use your credentials to enter your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before you proceed. Next, right after logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your dashboard and central hub where you can navigate to different features and areas within HubSpot. From here, locate the trial guide from the available options. This section is particularly useful if you're on a trial or exploring advanced functionalities. Continue by finding and clicking on the reporting section. This is where all the magic starts. At this stage, you'll see various reporting options that HubSpot offers, but we're focusing on creating custom reports today. Now find the reports option within this section and click on it. This will direct you to the reporting interface where you can see existing reports and have the option to create new ones. On this interface, you'll notice a Create Report button. Go ahead and click on that. This is the exciting part where we commence creating your custom report. Next, you'll be presented with different report building options, including a custom report builder. This builder is a handy tool that offers a high degree of flexibility in report creation. Click on the custom report builder to pave the way for crafting your tailored report. As the custom report builder opens up, you'll be prompted to start with a data set. Click on this option to begin selecting the data you want your report to encapsulate. Choosing the right dataset is crucial as it determines the foundational data you'll be working with. Depending on your needs, you might choose datasets related to contacts, companies, deals, or any other data points relevant to your business metrics. Take your time to explore the data and layout to tailor a report that best fits your business objectives. Custom reports can provide deep insights and are especially beneficial for monitoring progress and making informed decisions. HubSpot offers intuitive features and options like filters, sorting, and visualization tools that you can explore to optimize your custom report. And there you have it. Following these steps, you can create comprehensive, data-driven reports within HubSpot that are completely customized to your needs. These reports will not only help you identify trends, but also empower you with valuable insights to drive strategic decisions for your business. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.